Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in this video it's gonna be different. It's gonna be different from basically anything I ever done. Okay, I just want to share with you why I love YouTube. All right, super simple. Why I love YouTube, but it's also going to be about a review on DoorDash. If you don't know who she is, go check her out. All right. Now, the reason why I love YouTube. Well, I'm going to sugarcoat it and lie to you because you can make money. It's a potential where you can make money. You can make money off of YouTube. Okay? But I also want to share with you my number one reason why I love YouTube. It is because of inspiration and motivation. People like DoorDash. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Let me back up some for those who don't know me. I sell gifts, and on Valentine's Day, I went out. I usually go to the streets to sell gifts. Okay, so Valentine's Day, I did go out to sell, and I was not as successful as I hoped for. Wanted to give up, wanted to quit. I was through. Things didn't go well at all. It was like stuff happening back to back to back to back. And I ultimately stopped recording, stopped posting on YouTube. I just was done. I'm just like, no. Until I ran across this woman who goes by DoorDash. And it's funny how, like, in the midst of things, as you're going through personal issues in your life, God will bring a word, a person, across. I'm sorry, I'm at a loss for words. It's just as far as how God brings people across your path. That's what I want to say, okay? And this DoorDash woman completely changed my perspective of things. Motivation. She motivated me to get my behind back on YouTube and start posting. Not only posting, but I had so many personal insecurities within myself. I will dive more into that at a later time when it's meant for me to tell my testimony. But this woman completely changed me. And I pray whatever she's going through, dear Heavenly Father, I just pray you give her the strength to get through it. Give her back her strength, because I don't know if she'll ever see this, but DoorDash, you motivated me. So my review on DoorDash is that she is an amazing person. I thank God that she crossed my path. And I thank you, DoorDash, for allowing God to use you to help so many people. People like me. People who was ready to give up. People who were ready to throw in the towel and quit. If you are not familiar with my videos, my past videos, a lot of my past videos, I did not show my face, because I felt like people could see what I'm going through. So I did not want to show my face until I met this woman called DoorDash. It changed me. I had so many. Now, guys don't know. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I still got my some things I need to work on or whatever. I'm not perfect. God's still working on me. But man, I'm like, let me show my face on this YouTube. Let me start, taking her advice. I thank you for the reviews, the shout outs, everything that you helped me with. Woman, I thank you. And I don't care what the naysayers say, the haters say. I don't care. I don't even know you. And I could tell you are an amazing person. And your story is so similar to me. It's crazy. I don't even know you. I don't know who you are. But as far as feeling like an outcast, being bullied, oh, woman, what? Like I said, I'll tell my testimony later on. But man, you keep going. You keep smiling. You keep laughing. You keep showing up. And you definitely need to start doing your scream. Do your scream. Because God blessed you so much, and I know he's going to continue to bless you. DoorDash, I pray nothing but happiness for you, because you know you deserve it. And I don't even know who you are, but I know you are a genuine, kind-hearted person. And I thank you again for helping me with everything. The shout-outs, the reviews, all of it. I thank you. And with that being said, y'all have a blessed one.